Welcome to our YouTube channel where AI meets creativity. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we're here to unlock the power of artificial intelligence, one tutorial at a time. From mind-blowing tips to hands-on demos, we've got everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe now for more contents.
AI podcast has been making lots of rounds on the internet, getting thousands and millions of views across social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to create your own AI podcast and how you can leverage on AI to enhance your content creation journey. On this channel, we explore AI tools that will benefit your content creation journey and also help you with your channel monetization. So guys, if you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, kindly give this video a thumbs up, kindly share this video with your friends so that YouTube can recommend it to more people and it helps us create more amazing content like this. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to head on to ChatGPT. So you can download ChatGPT application on your phone, or you can use the web version of ChatGPT. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using the app version of ChatGPT on my phone. So once you have ChatGPT, you can log in if you are an existing user, or you sign up if you are a new user. So the steps are pretty straightforward. So once you're on the app, you're going to click on this image icon here, and you're going to select a photo from your gallery. So you can either download a photo of yourself or a photo of a celebrity, depending on the kind of image you want to create. So we have this image here, and we're going to add it to ChatGPT, and we're going to wait for it to load. So once it's finished loading, we're going to paste our prompt because we want to generate a 3D cartoon model. So we're telling ChatGPT, using this image as a reference picture, generate a 3D cartoon character in a podcast studio with a podcast mic and a laptop on the table. The image should be 3:1 aspect ratio. The name Digital Emmy should be on the yellow shirt the character is wearing, and there should be beautiful art on the wall. So this is a description of what we want our character to look like. This prompt is pretty basic. You can just simply pause the video, copy the prompt, or you comment prompt in the comment section, and I will send the prompt to you so that you can follow the tutorial. So once you have your prompt here, you're going to click OK, and you wait for ChatGPT to generate your image for you. So depending on the strength of your network, this might take a little time, so you just wait patiently for ChatGPT to do the job for you. Alright, so you can see that ChatGPT has generated one image for us, and I think this is perfect for what we're about to do. So we'll just click on the image and we're going to wait for it to load. So once we have this image, we're going to click on save, and this image is going to be saved to our gallery. So we'll just head on back to our gallery, and then we'll ensure that this image is there. So as you can see, we have our image here on our gallery. So the next thing we want to do is to head on back to ChatGPT, right? So for the sake of this video, we're just going to create an intro, but the step is the same for podcast and every other thing you want to create. So we'll head on back to ChatGPT, and we're going to tell ChatGPT to generate a 20-second YouTube intro. So we're going to prompt chat to generate a 20 seconds YouTube intro for my AI tutorial channel. So we'll just click enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate this script for us. So ChatGPT has generated the script for us. So we'll just copy our script, and then we're going to make a little edit to our script, right? So we'll just make a little edit to our script by removing the parts that we don't want. So we're going to delete this. So we are going to be using this script to generate voiceover. So we'll head on to Google Chrome and we're going to this website, and the name of this website is lovevoice.com. So I'll be leaving the link to all this website in the description of this video. Kindly check it out. I'll also be leaving a link to our support group, so kindly check it out. So once we are here on Love AI, we are going to click on text to speech, and then we're going to click on the box we have right here, and we are going to paste our script. Right, remember we created a script from ChatGPT and we're going to be pasting the script. So and then we are going to scroll down and we're going to change the language here to English. We're going to change it to English Nigeria, and then we're going to change the male voice. We're going to change the voice to a male voice. So once we have it like that, we're going to click on generate and we're going to wait for our. So we're going to click on the download button to download our voiceover to our device. So once we are done downloading our voiceover from lovevoice.com, we're going to head on to this website hedraai.com. So we'll head on to this website and we're going to be clicking on video because it asks us what would you like to create. So we're creating a video. We'll click on video and we're going to click on the plus icon to add our character. Remember, we have an image we generated from ChatGPT. We're going to be uploading this image. We're going to click on I consent and we're going to click back again and we're going to upload this image. So this is the image we downloaded from ChatGPT. We're going to click on done and we have the image right there. We're going to click on the plus icon again and for the audio, and we're going to upload an audio. So remember, we downloaded an audio from lovevoice.com. So we're going to head on to the directory where we have the audio and we'll upload it. So remember, because we are using the free version, we cannot upload more than 20 seconds. So here it says start at 00 and then end at, we're going to change it to 20. So I want it to start at 0 seconds and end at 20 seconds exactly. So we have it right here. So we're going to click on add to video. So the next thing we want to do is write a prompt here. So we're going to tell it to animate character with relevant gestures and lip sync. So click on OK and then we'll wait for it to do the magic for us.
Hedraai character 3 is here. High quality.
We'll just click on continue and we'll wait for it to generate our character for us. So depending on the strength of your network, or depending on what hedraai.com is processing per time, this might take a little while, so you wait for it patiently. So it's telling us that it is queued, so let's wait. You can see it's loading. So I might pause this video and come back when this is done generating. Alright guys, so our video is done generating and we're going to play our video to see what it looks like.
Welcome to our YouTube channel where AI meets creativity. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we're here to unlock the power of artificial intelligence, one tutorial at a time. From mind-blowing tips to hands-on demos, we've got everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe now for more content.
Alright, so you can see our video. It's so amazing and it's so nice. So all you need to do is to hit
Welcome to our YouTube channel where AI meets
on the
creativity.
button.
Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we're here to unlock the power of artificial intelligence, one tutorial at a time.
And once you hit the download button, you can see that your file has been downloaded to your system. So guys, if you have watched this video till this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Kindly share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Kindly let me know what tutorial you want me to make next, and I will make it in detail just for you. Please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.